Are you over 40 and feeling like the world of online business is beyond your reach because you lack tech skills? Think again. Today, I'm breaking down how you can earn passive income online without needing any coding, fancy software expertise, or years of tech experience. By the end of this video, you'll discover several proven ways to generate online passive income, regardless of your age or your ability level. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to create a digital product. Digital product like ebooks, guides, online courses or templates can bring in passive income once they're created and they're uploaded to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These products don't require much tech-heavy skills, but rather focus on your knowledge and your experiences. For example, if you spend years in sales, you can create a guide on mastering sales techniques for over 40, and then you can sell it. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, they can be sold repeatedly without much or any additional extra work. You can even repurpose the content from your experiences or your expertise that you've built over the years. This method only requires minimal design skills, and you can use simple tools like Canva, which I highly recommend, to make your products look much more professional. Now, to help you get started, I recommend that you outline your product based on what people are actually searching for within your niche. And I suggest that you use tools such as the Google Keyword Planner, which is a free tool to help you look for search volumes for different keywords and phrases within your niche. And then use free tools to turn your knowledge into a more polished and professional resource. I then recommend you promote it through your network and social media such as Instagram and TikTok to get more reach, and you'll soon see income flowing in from multiple purchases. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for non-tech savvy individuals looking to earn passive income online. You simply promote products or services that you already like and love, and you can earn commissions when people purchase through your unique referral tracking link. I recommend that you sign up with different platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale and ClickBank, and there are several other affiliate programs that are very easy to join. For example, let's say you're passionate about health and fitness. You could recommend exercise and workout equipment or supplements in a blog post, YouTube video, or even through social media such as Instagram and TikTok. Every time someone buys through your unique link, you will earn a percentage of the sale without needing to handle any tech-heavy details. The key to affiliate marketing success is consistency. I recommend that you share your links in highly valuable content that really helps people, solves a problem, and helps them with their pain points, such as reviews or how-to tutorials. Over time, these will generate ongoing traffic and sales, allowing you to create passive income streams with minimal upkeep. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to start a blog with ads. Blogging may sound intimidating, but setting up a basic blog today requires little to no tech skills, thanks to platforms like WordPress and Blogger. Once your blog is live, you can place ads from networks like Google AdSense and earn money every time someone views or clicks on those ads. Now, to help you get started, I recommend that you choose a niche that you're either highly familiar with or something that has a lot of demand in the marketplace. Some good examples are the health market, the wealth market, and the relationships market. For example, you could create a blog about travel tips for people over 40 or easy home-based business ideas. I recommend that you write a few high-quality posts and gradually grow your audience. As your blog gets more visitors, ad revenue can grow into a significant passive income stream. Consistency will be the key here for your success. As you continue to publish content, your blog's traffic and ad earnings will compound over time, turning your blog into a passive income machine. Plus, there is no need for deep tech skills, you just need the ability to write and to publish. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to sell print-on-demand products. Print on demand or POD is another easy way to earn passive income without any tech skills. Websites like Redbubble, Printful and Teespring let you design products like t-shirts, mugs and phone cases that customers can order online. You don't have to manage any inventory or shipping, everything is handled by the platform. Now let me give you an example. You can create a simple motivational quotes or designs aimed at your age group. Something like "Life begins at 40" on a t-shirt or a mug could attract several buyers. The platform then prints, ships and handles customer service, leaving you with a profit from each sale. You don't need design skills either. Canva offers many good templates that you can customize with just a few clicks. Once your designs are uploaded, they can generate passive income as customers make purchases over time. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to invest in dividend stocks. Dividend investing is a time-tested way to create a steady stream of passive income with zero tech skills required. Essentially, you buy shares in companies that regularly pay dividends, which are portions of the company's profits. These payments are deposited into your account, providing you with passive income. Many people shy away from stocks, thinking they need a lot of money or tech expertise, but apps like Robinhood and MI Finance have made it very easy to start with just a few dollars. For example, you could invest in blue chip companies that consistently pay dividends, like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. I recommend that you reinvest those dividends back into more shares, and over time you'll see your passive income grow without having to lift a finger. It's all about having some patience and consistency. You just need to set it and forget it. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is online course creation. If you've built up expertise over the years, online courses are an excellent way to package and to sell your knowledge, and no tech wizardry is needed. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make online course creation very easy with user-friendly interfaces that let you focus on content and not coding. For instance, you could create a course on how to transition careers after 40, or even mastering public speaking in midlife. The key is to focus on something that you're passionate about and that you know a lot about. I recommend that you record your lessons using simple tools like Zoom or even your own phone, and then upload them to these platforms. Now, once your course is live, it can sell on autopilot. You'll earn money every time that someone enrolls, creating a sustainable passive income stream with very little ongoing effort. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to start a YouTube channel. YouTube is an incredible platform for passive income, especially if you enjoy talking and sharing your experiences. You don't need fancy tech equipment to get started. Many successful creators record videos using just their smartphones. By creating videos around your niche, you can monetize through ads once your channel meets YouTube's partner program requirements. For example, you could start a channel focused on career tips for people over 40, or share your journey of building passive income streams. With consistent uploads, your videos can generate views and add revenue long after they're posted. Once you start gaining subscribers, you'll also have some more opportunities for sponsorships and affiliate marketing, further boosting your passive income potential. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to rent out property or rooms. Real estate is another classic passive income strategy, and you don't need any tech skills to get started. If you have extra space, I recommend that you consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb. If you own a property, you can generate a steady income stream by hosting travelers, charging rent, or subletting rooms. For example, many people over 40 find good success renting out part of their homes or vacation properties. It's a great way to earn extra income without having to actively manage anything besides occasional guest interactions. Plus, Airbnb handles most of the technical details for you, from payment processing to the marketing, making it an accessible and low-tech way to start earning passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to sell stock photos or videos. If you enjoy photography or videography, you can sell your work online to generate passive income. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your content and get paid whenever someone downloads or licenses your images or your clips. For instance, if you love taking nature photos or capturing moments during your travels, these can be monetized with very little tech know-how. Simply upload them to stock websites and let the platforms handle the rest. Once uploaded, your photos and your videos can continue earning passive income for many years, with zero additional work on your part. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to create and sell an audiobook. If you enjoy storytelling or have highly valuable knowledge that you want to share, creating an audiobook can be a great way to generate passive income. You don't need advanced tech skills, you just need a decent microphone and a quiet space. Platforms like Audible and ACX make it very easy to publish and distribute your audiobook to a wide audience worldwide. For example, if you've written an ebook or even just have a collection of personal stories or good advice, you can narrate it and turn it into an audiobook. A guide on finding a new career after 40 or even life lessons from the over 40 crowd could be very popular with your target audience. Once your audiobook is live, it can continue to sell without any further input, providing you with a steady stream of income while reaching listeners all around the world. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com. And you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.